Okay, so I'm fresh off the golf course with my girls. And we're over at Judy's place.
Socially distancing.
Yes, we're socially distancing. And of course, they've got me in the kitchen cooking. Well, and I appreciate that. And with my girl Judy. That's right. So I'm trying to make this frittata. I will make it and let y'all see what how it turns out. Because, yeah, we're having a little champagne, a little champagne. And so cheers. All right, so you see what they got me doing. I'm trying to cook, and she's in her oven that she uses for storage because she doesn't cook.
Don't you put stuff in your oven? Not everybody puts stuff in their oven.
No, but there's food in there, yes. But other than that,
I always keep stuff in my oven. Because the broiler pan, is full of stuff too.
Is it? I'm glad to know that now.
Don't think about boiling them.
Went to go put the frittata in there, and I was like, what is all this shit in the oven?
Sylvia's doing her thing. Cooking with
SylvMac. Ooh, don't get too close. I ain't got the makeup on today.
Cooking under duress. It's real.
I know, cooking under duress.
You gotta get a view of
Just cook for us. That's what you do well.
Look, now, I thought I was only doing a frittata. She's like giving me orders. She's like,
That's what I'm waiting on.
She's like, turn this off.
Now that should have baby the family.
I don't even know, where's the turner? Where's your,
Use your fingers.
Look in that thing, in that white thing.
Cooking with SylvMac on location.
That's right, on location.
On location.
I love
A
it.
different view. A different point of view. Yes, thank you for the
In
whole.
her beautiful condo.
It's beautiful.
Her condo is off the damn chain.
It is off the chain.
Okay, so this is the finished product, the frittata that they had me cooking. And let's go here and see what else we got. We got some waffles. And blueberries, strawberries, salmon croquettes, fruit, sausage. The most important thing, champagne. Champagne. Don't forget to watch my channel, subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up if you like it, leave comments because I want to know what y'all are thinking. And I got to get back because apparently somebody's burning up the damn sauce.